Hello creators, welcome back again. Ever find yourself locked out of your WriteSonic AI account? No worries, today I'm here to guide you through step-by-step process of resetting your password, so let's jump into it. To start, open Safari or any web browser on your device and ensure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless password reset experience. Now go to Safari and click on it. Now in the search bar, type WriteSonic AI, and when you find the official website, click on it, or you can directly click on WriteSonic Login. Now click on Login tab given on the official website of WriteSonic AI, which will direct you to this page. Now look for Lost Your Password option and click on it. Now put your business email. Now go to your mailbox and look for the mail sent by Team WriteSonic, and when you open it, you'll see Verify Email Address tab. Click on it. But make sure you do it quickly because this link will be invalid after 60 minutes. Now you'll be directed to this page where you need to type your new password and retype it to confirm it. After you're done with that, click on continue. After you're done setting up your password, put your business email there and click on sign in with password option. Now put your password and click on sign in tab. And there you have it creators, changing your WriteSonic AI password is free. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and hit the notification bell. Keep creating fantastic content and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.